Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Search the in-game trade board and Discord to find cotton candy knife offers. When you locate listings, filter offers by trade ratio and listed price before messaging a trader so you only engage with relevant proposals. Verify the trader's Roblox username and pass trades for trustworthiness, checking at least one screenshot or profile history. Keep a list of 3 to 5 promising offers, and set a price ceiling in keys or specific items to avoid overpaying while you prepare to negotiate. Propose clear trade terms and include screenshots of your items and their values, stating whether you expect pure keys or item combinations. Use the official trade window. Never accept outside trades or third-party promises to minimize scamming risk during the cotton candy knife exchange. Offer fair change like keys or items based on current market demand, adjusting by plus or minus 1 to 3 keys as negotiation proceeds. Confirm both sides, show items in the trade slots before you click Accept to finalize. Double-check both items in the trade window and the trader's inventory tags, ensuring a cotton candy knife is visible and not a lookalike skin or decal. Click Accept only when the cotton candy knife appears in the correct slot and both parties confirm. Avoid rushing and use the cancel button if anything looks off. Report scams immediately and block repeat offenders to protect your account. Then update your trusted trader list and set alerts on Discord or trade boards to catch future cotton candy knife listings quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.